We're diving into a new tool that's really shaking things up for video content creators.
Oh, I'm all ears. What's this tool you're talking about?
It's called Video System, and it's like a personal wizard for all your video content needs. Yeah,
Really?
it's super cool.
That sounds amazing. But how exactly does it help creators?
Well, you know how creating videos can feel like running a marathon with a backpack full of bricks? Video System changes all that.
So it's making the process easier?
Exactly. It streamlines script writing, so no more staring at a blank page for hours.
Oh, wow.
It helps generate compelling scripts, catchy titles, and persuasive descriptions with way less effort.
That's a game changer. But does it work for different platforms?
Yes, that's one of its superpowers. It customizes content for platforms like TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram. Because one
Nice.
size fits all just doesn't cut it anymore.
Absolutely. Each platform has its own vibe, right?
Right. For example, TikTok loves short, trendy clips
Yeah.
while YouTube thrives on storytelling.
And Instagram is all about those stunning visuals.
Exactly. Video System tailors your content to fit each platform perfectly, increasing your chances of engagement and growth.
That's fantastic. But how does it boost engagement and reach?
Well, it has built-in features like optimized hashtags, trending topics, and SEO-friendly descriptions.
Oh,
It's
okay.
like having a marketing guru at your fingertips.
Wow, that could really save time.
Oh, absolutely. Speaking of time, Video System makes the whole process way more efficient. From ideation to execution, it trims your workflow down significantly.
Can you give an example?
Sure. Before, you might spend 8 hours brainstorming and scripting.
Right.
With Video System, you can get it done in under 3 hours.
That's a massive time saver.
It really is. And it doesn't just save time, it empowers creators to really shine.
Yeah.
It helps you find your unique voice and make content that resonates.
That's so important in today's saturated digital space.
Exactly. And there's this inspiring story about Alex, a fitness coach.
Oh?
He was struggling to grow his online presence.
And did Video System help him out?
It did. After using Video System, he created targeted content that not only boosted his following, but doubled his client base in 3 months.
That's incredible. But, I'm a bit skeptical. Can an AI tool really capture a creator's unique style?
I wondered that too.
Right.
But Video System combines advanced AI with your input to keep your unique style intact. It's not just generating generic content, it's enhancing your own creativity.
Okay, that makes sense.
Plus, did you know that 85% of video content consumed online is created with AI-powered
No
tools?
way.
Video System keeps you ahead of the curve.
That's a fun fact. So what's the catch? Is it expensive?
Actually, that's the best part. It's a one-time payment of $47. No
Seriously?
subscriptions, no hidden fees.
That's a steal for all those features.
And wait, there's more. You get 5 exclusive bonuses when you purchase.
Oh, tell me more. What kind of bonuses?
First, you get unlimited AI videos, so you can create limitless AI-powered videos effortlessly.
Nice.
Then there's AI hidden knowledge, giving you exclusive strategies to outsmart the competition.
That sounds super useful.
Yeah. Then you have Prompt Goldminer to master AI prompting for consistent, high-quality results.
Oh, that's handy. What about the other 2 bonuses?
There's Persona AI, which helps you build lifelike virtual personas that work for you.
Interesting.
And finally, Content Frameworks, offering 30 ready-to-use frameworks to instantly craft unique, engaging content.
Wow, that's a comprehensive package.
It really is. And to claim the bonuses, you just purchase Video System, email your proof of purchase, and they send the bonuses directly to your inbox.
Simple enough. Sounds like they're really trying to empower creators.
Exactly. With Video System, you're not just creating content. You're revolutionizing how you create.
Yeah.
It's time to lead, not follow.
You've convinced me. I think it's worth checking out.
Definitely. Remember, those bonuses won't last forever, so it's a great time to get in.
Absolutely.
Body's tired.